water to flush the toilet. Fellow South Africans, fellow citizens of Cape Town, I think we can, I think we have an opportunity to defeat Day Zero. And let me, as I bring this